So in this video, I'll break down the key techniques used in articulation therapy and what makes some approaches more effective than others. So the traditional method of articulation therapy has been the gold standard in the field for decades. And it works by engaging a child's various senses, like their visual sense. So we use visual cues to show kids visually how to produce correct sounds. Something called auditory cues or bombardment that expose the child to both correct and incorrect versions of the sound they're working on. And then also verbal instructions. So just describing where to put your tongue and other factors that go into making the sound. But one big missing piece for all those years, that's been tactile feedback. And so before Speech Buddies tools, there was no systematic evidence-based way to teach kids how to affect that correct tongue placement. So research has shown that touch, the sense of touch, is a really powerful tool for learning speech sounds, making Speech Buddies tools a real game changer. Also, within the traditional method of articulation therapy, some kids benefit from more specialized approaches. For example, something called the cycles approach, which is a structured variation designed for children with multiple speech sound errors, those real complex challenges we sometimes face. Also something called prompt therapy, which is an effective hands-on technique requiring special training, I want to say that quickly, that is particularly effective with younger children and those with motor speech challenges. But then actually, more recently, some really interesting stuff has come along with ultrasound therapy. So you may know ultrasound from various medical uses, but it's actually an advanced method that we use in speech sound disorders as well. It's a little hard to get access to ultrasound. It can be more expensive, but just thought you wanted to know about that as well. So look, every child's speech situation is unique, and therefore every child's plan should be unique, and the right approach should be carefully considered.